So where can you write JavaScript code, and how can you write JavaScript code? So you can write JavaScript code can be written in a text editor like Notepad++ or Atom, and you can run these codes on the browser in combination with HTML. You can also run JavaScript code on Node.js engine if you are creating a server and you are creating a backend application with Express.js and so on and Node.js. So you can do those codes are being run by Node.js engine. You can also run JavaScript codes on Chrome browser console. So you can access your Chrome browser console by using Ctrl+Shift+I. So here in this tutorial, I'm going to be running our JavaScript code with HTML on the browser, and I'm going to be running it inside Chrome console. Now, if you want to open Chrome console, like I said, all you have to do is just to Ctrl+Shift+I. So when you press Ctrl+Shift+I, or you can go here and more tools, developer tools. So wait a little bit. So here you can go to the console, and so you can write your JavaScript code here inside the console. So I can write some code here. And the code has been run by this Chrome console. So you can write JavaScript code inside the Chrome browser console. If you are using Firefox, you can also run your JavaScript code inside Firefox console. Now, apart from pressing Ctrl+Shift+I or going here and looking for developer tools, you can also click on one of the elements in your browser. You can right click here and you choose inspect, and that one is going to bring you to the Google, as you can see. So you have the console here, so you get the console here, so you can run JavaScript code inside here. So like I said, you can run JavaScript code in the browser, you can run it in Google Chrome console, and we'll be writing our code in the Atom here. You can also use Atom Notepad++ or any other text editor that you have. So now there are two ways. If you want to write code inside HTML, that means the code you are going to be writing in this tutorial will be written inside HTML, or just JavaScript code inside the Chrome browser console. So if you want to write JavaScript code inside the HTML, there are two ways you can do it. So that you put your code inside the script tag in either the header or body tag, as you see in the next slide, or you have a JavaScript file separately, and you link up this JavaScript file to your HTML file. Now, for the first option, which is you can put your JavaScript code inside the script tag in either your head or body tag. So you have, assuming this is an HTML5, doc type HTML, head and body. So your JavaScript code can go inside this script tag, opening and closing script tag. You can put your JavaScript code here inside the head tag, or you can come inside your body tag and you put your script tag almost immediately before the closing tag of the body, and you can put your JavaScript code here. So the second option is to have two files separately. So you have two files, an HTML5 and a JavaScript code, and you now link up this JavaScript file to your HTML file. So you link up this way. You have your scripts, opening and closing tag, script tag, but this script will take an attribute which is source, and you put the name of your JavaScript file here. So here you are having a JavaScript file residing in the same folder on your web, and the JavaScript file is app.js, and you have an HTML5, and you want to link them up together. So you can put this link in the head tag. You can also put it in the body tag here, like this. So in the body tag, you also have the script opening and closing tag, but in the opening tag, you have an attribute which links up here. The JavaScript code is not residing on the same website, but on different websites. So you can link up JavaScript on different websites into your own website. So those are the two ways by which you can put your JavaScript code inside your HTML code. One, by writing your code inside the script